Hello crafty friends and welcome to my channel. It is day 4 of Die Cut December 2025 and today the random number generator gave me number 49, which corresponded to houses. So I grabbed all my house dies or building dies and had a think about what I could make. One of my house dies is significantly larger than all the other house dies, so I thought that die would make a good focal house. So my plan was to cut that out with some coloured cardstock and to cut all my smaller houses and buildings out of white cardstock, so I could have my big colourful house in the middle, in the foreground as the focal point, and then some smaller white houses as if they're in the background behind the large house. So that's what I did. I lined up all my little houses on some white cardstock, stuck them in place with a bit of low tack post-it tape, and then ran them through my die cutting machine and set them to one side. Next, while I was letting the large house colours kind of percolate in the back of my mind, I decided to stamp my sentiment on my card blank. So I've got a 4x6-ish inch card blank. I placed it in my stamp platform, popped my rule of thirds acetate grid over the top, and then placed a rather jaunty new home stamp on top of the acetate grid on that intersection between the right hand line and the top line. I then picked up the stamp and inked it up with sticky embossing ink, and I did that twice because my card was linen textured and you don't always get a great first impression when you stamp on textured cards, so I thought if I do it twice it's going to work, and it did. I then sprinkled over some gold metallic embossing powder from Wow and heated that with my heat tool. And by the time I'd finished that, I decided upon a pastel colour scheme, and I die cut my large house from some pastel green pearlised cardstock and from some pink pastel pearlised cardstock, and I chose two colours so that I could paper piece them together. The main body of the house is green, but the trimmings, the window frames, the door frame, the door, the roof are all pink, so it's got a bit of life to it. So I used scissors to cut out the door frame, the door, the window frames and the roof from the pink house. I then spread some high-tack white glue on my silicone coaster and dipped the pink bits in the glue just so they picked up the right amount of glue. And then I used my tweezers to place them accurately over the green house. I then added some glue to the back of the finished house and place that on my card. I did use my rule of thirds acetate grid to help me line that up, and I placed it in the middle of the card horizontally, but kind of centered over that bottom horizontal line. After that, I arranged my little white houses around the greenhouse so that they looked as if they were in a row behind the greenhouse. Before adding glue to the back of two of the houses, I did snip a bit off the side of each one so that they looked as if they were behind the greenhouse. And then I added glue to the rest, and one at a time I added them in a row until the whole of the width of the card was full. I also added some little lamp posts that came with the house die set. At this point I wondered whether or not I should add gold to the windows in the house to kind of tie in the sentiment and warm everything up a little bit. So I die cut a house from gold and popped the little window bits in the greenhouse, but I didn't add any glue because I wasn't sure whether I would like it or not. I did kind of like it, but I think it looked better without. So in the end, I shook out all the gold window bits and just left the windows empty. I did still want to add a little bit of gold to the house, so I added a gold heart over the pink heart, and I think that worked. I was very happy with the final result. Right, that's this card finished. I hope today's video has given you some ideas of things you can do with similar dies that you may already own. If it has, please do let me know in the comments, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 5 of Die Cut December. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.